Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your caller ID on your iPhone. So this hiding of caller ID will allow you to call anybody without revealing your phone number. So let's see how we can do it. So what you need to do is you just need to press on the settings app on your iPhone, and then you just need to scroll down until you see phone option here. So you will see this option which says phone. So I'm going to just press on this phone option, and here you need to scroll down until you see show caller ID, which is this option. So just press on show caller ID option, and here you will see the toggle button. So by default, this toggle button is enabled. You can disable it, and once you disable this show my caller ID, then when you call to the another person, it will not reveal your caller ID. So let's test this. So I'm going to just call this number which is on my Android phone. So let's say I want to call my wife, and when I call to the another number, you can see it's a private number on the another Android phone. So this is how you can hide your caller ID on your iPhone. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.